kid. People buy one of this and it's stayed there for about 2 years. I swear to God. Oh, this looks good. I'm not boneless now. Well, no TV for us. We already buy TV.
For me, been an awful good girl, Santa baby. So hurry down the chimney tonight.
A true Jamaican Christmas greeting I extend to you. Just come on over, there is room. There's no winter time, there's just sweet sunshine at Christmas Jamaican style.
Guys, so we're in BJ's right now doing some grocery shopping and we saw this TV. It's 86 inches LG HD. Look at the price. That's crazy. $899.99 plus tax is like $950. Look at this. This is the quality. If I didn't just buy a TV the other day, like I would jump on this real fast. This is beautiful. By the way, welcome back to another Vlogmas episode. I'm in BJ's today. We're doing grocery shopping for Christmas. And yeah, I just had to show you that TV because that is amazing. Yeah. Yes or no? This is a 70 inch. I think I got a 75 inch. A 75 for avocado yard. But it's not it's not huge. Oh, I regular TV like. I just no. Then I have no regular one in here. Try. See regular one like we have. Then I have that. But these prices are ridiculous. This is for the 70 inch. $5.99. I don't have to go Black Friday sale. That's nice. Why do you think so?
Look at this. LG QNED, right? Look, it's a 65 inches, a 70. Look on the price. $700, that's 60. Better something this around. QNED better than the one.
HDR 10 Pro. Does that have anything to do with it? 4K upscale. Oh, because of the price? 2023 new.
Yeah, cool stuff.
Maybe at this. Look.
It is a new one.
Yeah, but versus this one, it's not nothing. What's the new? You see what I'm talking about?
What a bigger size is.
Huh?
That's $700 and it's out.
Well, no TV for us. We already buy TV. Look how much just ordered them here the other day. Just order ink. How much is this? Are you serious?
75 inch. You might buy 80 round, so you know. QLED. See price?
That's why I sell like a hot bread.
That's why they sell like a hot bread because the ultra is better than the QLED.
But just order one of this, you know. The one of this is try for what? It's $58? No, no, hold on, this alone is $44. I spend $70 for one small pack. But now I'm buying what I say. You see what I'm saying? At $70, I just buy one from Amazon, you know? Oh, lie. I just one now. 8 or 2. $99 feet.
Picture you don't look dark and look money is up there. You take a pic. When you have to, I'm printing it to show you the quality of the
Think I said, I think you know one of them draw them. You know when I draw them. So get one pack of the Gain dry sheet. Well, I know. Yeah, that's fast. Alright, now you got that string, so.
This are done?
Oh, yeah. Do the Gain one. I cannot start falling in love again. See right that's in front of you. Do the Moonlight one for right now. Smell this. Smell the one there, the fireworks. This one. No, this the regular one. This is better. Let's just run it. Please spread the fabric down. Yeah, this done. Alright, go on. That's cascade. Running down. That's. There we go. Save even more with our coupon. This one wanna just select. It's a triple.
Yeah, them too big to go on the roll in Kenisha.
Make a way for me to take it up. For making it take up something.
Them too big to go on the roll.
That's really not solid paper.
And the bicycle will be $199 every time.
A criminal. Yeah, connection video. Where's the one that remember the multi-pack one? We have like the can one and the you know what I'm talking?
Yeah, you're not gonna find it.
What's a Christmas? Are the Christmas time? What do you get to?
See them
Are they this?
there.
Yeah. Go on, kiss it on now. My neck is sore. I'm gonna tell the Christmas time when they get to. Winter pack. That smells so good, whatever it is I'm smelling. Okay, so now I'll get no cranberry on it. No cranberry. Malta. Long time I drink from Malta. No, make me want everybody to hurt me so. Jesus, please. You bought a whole bunch of bakery stuff, right?
You know what them are like something? You want them to buy the perfect farm one?
Then I have peppers farm in there.
They still eat them?
Me yum yum. I can't go to work. It's just there's a peppers farm in there? Or just have none? It's red velvet loaf. You know, babes, they had the one. Let me see if they have it. Blueberry. What's a marble? With the apple and the something one. You know what I'm talking about? Like this, but an apple. They don't have it, man. They don't got it. Like an apple and I'm not having what else? What did I put you like 3 years? See that so the raspberry flavor cream cheesecake. People buy one of this and it stayed there for 2 years. I swear to God. That's so funny. Where's some money? We need to stop it. Carrot cake. Oh my God. Yes. Hell yes. This goes on all the time. And TJ eat cheese carrot cake. I love that. Yes. Please and thank you. Ooh. You know what I'm talking about? Bills I remember last year. The apple cinnamon something. Them not have it. Go on. Go on. You buy blueberry for TJ? I don't want me the sugar. Yeah, what do you mean? Look, he does. But the Walmart one he likes because of the sugar. What about this stream right? What is this on now? Corn muffin. You gotta go call him? Huh? cinnamon coffee. Oh, you know? Macaroons? No, why not?
You know, no, something, man.
Why? Why not? We tend to pick up what I can't muffin in. Come on. Pick up when I can't muffin. I pick up when I can't muffin. I love pick up on top. Coming out bottom. Alright, come on.
Put it on top of it. Try to put this space.
Alright. Yeah? Right banana over there. No? All banana them just so nice to try. I know just say so. Every banana them put for ripe and then sell it ripe. So you know that should have ripe banana after I move from green. I think I'm gonna eat. Alright, chicken. You want to do it for the mixed sandwich? You check over this already? You tell GP called me if you ask him about coming early? You don't want to get extra, you buy one bus already, right? No, jelly pack 50 now. You pass the meat, I'll try to buy now meat, see what I meet them over there now.
I'm gonna pick up that.
And you can check the seafood. So you can check your seafood area them too. And the chicken. Oh, this look good. I'm not bonus though. No, it just looks good. $37 sell by December 26th now? No, that's.
What did you think?
Oh, that's what I thought.
That one? Yes.
Beef for stew. 1790, 1781. December 25th. So by Christmas Day. Alright, so pork line.
You didn't want to slice cheese though?
Yes. Yeah. One of them thick. No, them are different. See, thin one of them, but I don't want it so thin. I think about this. This one now. I know what I have to watch the date there because it's about December 23rd. So by December 24th.
See, so they're not 10. I see them in cut.
So I get this and this, that's
All of them
stew.
circle.
When I say it's stew. No, not only that, but you look, you see this one said 26th, this one said the 24th. They have different timeline. You want this one now? The 24th one? I seen it recently. Fine specky grape down. The cotton candy one them they look good though. What's the fat juicy one? I'm just saying one now. Look, the purple one. The grape
I think them I look for man. They then call you again
look, the one there.
the Welsh now look for.
In specky first.
Yes, me look turn one and look on a Welsh one.
Some more Welsh over here, sir.
This one I'm ready.
Welsh if I top up, sir. Put them here. Cute little green dog. But then prepare looks for this. Oh, stupid one in there. No, what about this one now? The smaller one. Like I'm looking at these kiwis and they're supposed to be the sweeter ones, but them sometimes they go sour because they're not ripe, bro. I'm gonna be scared. What about the small one of this guy? You know, sometimes they not fresh and I'm gonna use this one. You think some broccoli on your side? So broccoli down here, so broccoli here. But are they there's something there. No one alone, let's see the head parts.
Yo, awesome. You like the vegetable what mommy give you the back vegetable. You don't like it?
Yeah, I know about it already. Carrot bibs. Pick up carrots. I'll be ready to look up everyone now. Spinach. $4.49.
You mean that spinach definitely fresh? Definitely fresh. When I did that check, that I need to find out.
It good?
What do you mean it's good? I did that up front.
It good?
Of course it's good. Like the east out.
No, I pick up. Mr. What I pick up? One, try this one. You should sit down on the chest, best one. And guys, this is it. Thank you very much. Oh, hold on. This is for Oh. I'm going to check this at the food. Alright guys, I didn't record a lot today because I'm tired, I'm hungry, I'm exhausted. But we're finished with shopping and we're going to go straight home. Try to bend, we're trying to. So, if you haven't already subscribed, I'm not going to go home and do a haul because I'm leaving work. I just leave work coming home. So, won't see a haul. But if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and share. And until later, bye.